Professionals that specialize in measuring and figuring out the elevation of various spots on the ground are known as leveling surveyors in Saket. They are essential to many construction projects because they make sure the ground is leveled and ready for the building process. The well-known business Scon Design Delhi offers top-notch leveling surveyor services in Saket and the neighboring areas. The South Delhi neighborhood of Saket is well known for its commercial and residential construction. Leveling surveyors are now far more necessary than they were before the country's fast growth and urbanization. These experts measure precisely and set standards for the elevation of various sites on the ground using cutting-edge tools and methods. To guarantee that structures are constructed on a strong foundation, this information is essential for architects, engineers, and construction crews. In Saket, Scon Design Delhi has a group of highly qualified leveling surveyors who are experts in their area and have years of experience. Modern surveying tools like total stations, levels, and GPS units are available to them so that they can make accurate measurements and calculations. In order to offer accurate topographic surveys, contour maps, and other crucial data necessary for the completion of construction projects, these surveyors collaborate closely with architects and engineers. Beyond merely measuring elevations, leveling surveyors in Saket provide a variety of services. In addition, they help in figuring out the land's slope and gradient, which are essential for planning drainage systems, roads, and other infrastructure components. These surveyors help optimize the use of the land and make sure it complies with all safety and legal standards by conducting thorough surveys and analyses. The dedication of Scon Design Delhi to providing top-notch surveying services is well known. They employ devoted experts that take pride in their work as leveling surveyors in Saket. They are aware of the significance of accuracy and precision in their measures and how even a small mistake may have a big impact on the outcome of a building project. Scon Design Delhi assures that all surveys are carried out with the utmost professionalism and dependability thanks to their experience and attention to detail. Leveling surveyors in Saket excel in problem-solving and communication in addition to their technical expertise. They collaborate extensively with clients to comprehend their unique needs and address any issues that might come up while doing the survey. To keep clients updated on the status of the project and any pertinent results, they offer frequent updates and reports. Leveling surveyors in Saket play a crucial role in the construction and engineering industry. They are responsible for accurately measuring and mapping the terrain to ensure that construction projects are built on level ground. These surveyors use advanced equipment and techniques to determine the elevation and slope of the land, which is essential for creating a stable foundation for buildings and infrastructure. Scon Design is a well-known surveying company in Delhi that offers professional leveling surveying services in Saket and its surrounding areas.